Hello to my first grade math superstars. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Before we begin today's lesson, let's remind ourselves of our superstar rules. Respect yourself and others. Listen carefully. Follow directions. Try your best. Today, our I can statement says, I can subtract tens. What we're going to be doing today is, if we have a whole that is all tens, and we have a part that we are taking or breaking away that is all tens, we need to make sure we're paying careful attention to the tens. Let's read our first problem. It says 40 minus 20 equals unknown number. Now we know the first thing we like to do is double check to see if it's a plus or a minus sign. What sign is this? A minus sign. Let's make our minus sign with our fingers and let's remind ourselves. Minus means break or take. Minus means we have a whole. In this number sentence, it's 40. And we are going to take away or break away a part of 20. We're going to use our math tools today to help us. I have my place value chart here, and I have my 10 sticks here. If you have your place value chart and your 10 sticks, you can build along with me. If you do not have those math tools, that's okay. Just follow along with me. So for 40 minus 20, what's the first thing we're going to have to build? Our whole. Our whole is 40. Now if I want to build 40, I want to think about the tens and ones. I check my ones place. 40 does not have any ones, and I know it does not have any ones because there's a 0 in the ones place. How many tens does 40 have? 4 tens. The tens place tells me exactly how many 10 sticks I need to put on my place value chart. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So I built my whole of 40, or 4 tens. 4 tens is worth 40. Now my minus sign tells me I have to take away or break away a part of 20. Does 20 have any ones? No, it does not. There's a 0 in the ones place. So I do not have to worry about the ones place. What's the next place I should check? My tens place. 20 has 2 10 sticks. So I need to do something with 2 tens. Am I going to put 2 more tens on my place value chart? No, I'm going to take away or break away 2 tens. That's what the minus sign tells me to do. So I'm going to take away or subtract 2 10 sticks. 1, 2 tens. When I had 4 tens and I subtracted 2 tens, 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. That's the part of my 40 that I have left. So 40 minus 20 equals, let's count them, 10, 20. Let's look at another problem. I can subtract tens. Read this problem with me. 30 minus 10 equals unknown number. Look for our plus or minus sign. It's a minus. So we know that this minus sign tells us we're going to take away or break away a part. Think about that invisible arrow. It points to the part we're going to take or break away. 10. So to build 30 minus 10, first thing we have to build is 30. We have to build our whole. How many tens does 30 have? 3 tens. So build it with me. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. 30 is made with 3 tens. Let's count them to be sure. 10, 20, 30. Now let's double check again. Oh, this says that we need to take or break away 10. 10 does not have any ones. It does have 1 10. So we are going to take or break away 1 10. Let's go to our place value chart. Let's take away 1 10. How many tens are left? 2 tens. 3 tens minus 1 10 equals 2 tens. What are 2 tens worth? 10, 20. So 30 minus 10 equals 20. 20 has 2 tens. There's a 2 in the tens place, just like on our place value chart. And it's got 0 ones. So there's a 0 in the ones place, and there are no ones in the ones place on our place value chart. Let's read our next problem. Read it with me. 50 minus 20 equals unknown number. Look for our plus or minus sign. It's a minus. What does minus mean? Minus means break or take. Minus means we have a whole. Here our whole is 50. And the minus sign tells us we're going to take away or break away a part of 20. So to build 50 minus 20, what do you think we need to build on our place value chart first? The whole. The whole is 50, so we need to build 5 tens, right? Count and build that with me. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Let's skip count it the regular way and double check to make sure we have 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 minus 20. Well, if it says minus 20, are we taking away any ones? No, we are not taking away any ones. There's a 0 in the ones place. Are we taking away tens? Yes, we are. There's a 2 in the tens place, so we are taking away 2 tens. Let's go to our place value chart and let's take away or break away 2 tens. 5 tens take away or break away 2 tens equals how many tens? 3 tens. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. Well done, math superstars. All right, let's try our last problem. Read it with me. 60 minus 10 equals unknown number. Again, look for that sign. It's a minus sign. Minus means break or take. Minus says we have our whole, which is 60, and we've got to take away or break away a part of 10. To build 60, how many tens are we going to need? 6 tens. Build it with me. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. We've got 6 tens, and this minus sign is asking us to take away or break away 1 10. Let's do that on our chart. We have 6 tens minus 1 10. How many tens do we have left? 5 tens. 6 tens minus 1 10 equals 5 tens. So 60 minus 10 equals 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Great job today working with me to subtract tens.